In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a Gmail attachment directly to Google Drive. By the end, you'll know the quickest way to keep important files safe and accessible across your devices without downloading them to your computer first. Start by going to Gmail in your web browser and signing into the account where you received the file. This process works best on desktop, and it saves the attachment to the same Google account you're using in Gmail. Once you're in your inbox, open the email that contains the attachment. If you're looking at a conversation with several messages, make sure you open the specific message where the attachment appears. Attachments usually show up at the bottom of the email as small cards or thumbnails, and you might also see a paperclip icon in the message list that indicates a file is attached. Next, move your mouse over the attached file. Hovering simply means placing your cursor on top of the attachment without clicking. When you hover, Gmail reveals a small set of quick action icons right on the attachment card. Typically, you'll see a download icon and the Google Drive triangle icon. Depending on your interface, it may be labeled Add to Drive or Save to Drive. The Drive icon is what you want for sending the file straight to your cloud storage. Click the Add to Drive icon. After you click, Gmail will confirm that the file has been saved, usually with a brief message letting you know it was added to My Drive. That means the attachment is now stored in your Google Drive, linked to the same account you're using in Gmail. From there, you can organize it later into folders, rename it, or share it, none of which you need to do right now to complete the save. If you have multiple attachments, repeat the same hover and click action for each file you want to keep. A few helpful notes as you use this feature. The file saves to your My Drive by default, and it counts toward your drive storage. If you don't see the drive icon, try hovering directly over the attachment thumbnail, not just the email body. For very large files or certain formats, it may take a moment before the save confirms. And if you use more than one Google account in the same browser, double-check you're in the intended inbox so the file lands in the correct drive. That's all it takes. Open the email, hover over the attachment, and click Add to Drive. Simple, fast, and perfect for keeping your files organized and available wherever you are.